Hello there. We'll discuss about eclipse today. What is eclipse? You are very much familiar with this word eclipse since your childhood. You learned about eclipse during your school days, mostly during 7th standard. Let's have a look at the picture of this eclipse. Here, sun's rays are coming. That means sun is there. This is earth. Earth is rotating itself and revolving around the sun. Okay, revolving. Moon is a satellite of Earth, and Moon rotates and revolves. But same time, rotation and revolution, same time. Rotation in this direction. Imagine you are standing here in the darker side. Here it's night, and you are looking at the sky, and you can see moon, but complete darkness. No moon at all. Complete dark. Amavasi. That is complete dark. After some days, you can see a small portion. If you look from here, you can see a small portion, somewhat a crescent like moon. That visibility increases after a few days, and you can see a half moon. Then again, this visibility increases, and finally, you can see a full moon. That means new moon means no moon at all. After that, gradual visibility, small portions of the moon appears. That happens in the first quarter. Second quarter, finally you can see full moon. Complete. You are standing here. When you look at the sky, you can see bright moon, complete full moon. Then gradually after some days, that visibility also decreases, and crescent shape and smaller crescent, and finally no moon at all. That happens in the last quarter. So in the first quarter and last quarter, you can see some parts of the moon, a bigger portion to smaller crescent, and finally no moon. But in the second and third quarter, you can see bigger portions of moon. Finally, in between, by the end of the second quarter, you can see full moon. Why this happens? What is the reason behind this? Have you ever thought about this eclipse? Let's have a look. There are two types of eclipse. The very first one is the solar eclipse, and second one is a lunar eclipse. We are talking about solar eclipse now. What is solar eclipse? Decipher the meaning or some idea from that words itself. Solar eclipse. Solar, sun, is eclipsed, hidden by somebody, because we are living here on earth, and some other object come in between us and sun and eclipsed sun. So sun was eclipsed by this object. This object is known as moon. So sun, moon, and earth in a straight line. Moon in between sun and earth. Moon in between sun and earth. All three bodies are in syzygy, that means same straight line. eclipse occur. See, moon passes in a direct line between Earth and Sun. Moon shadow blocks sun's light. This is sun's light that is blocked by moon, and shadow falls on Earth. So this area, complete solar eclipse. See this area, partial solar eclipse. This is umbra and penumbra. This is penumbra. Penumbra. This is umbra. That is the full darker portion. And this one, we can see partially, we can see sun. It is partial solar eclipse. Recently, a solar eclipse happened here in India, and we could mostly see, portions of sun got hidden by this earth. Those are partial solar eclipse. Some areas, some people could watch this full solar eclipse. Moon crosses Earth orbital plane twice per year. That is known as eclipse season. Occurs during new moon. New moon means we can't see the moon. That is the situation, we can't see the moon. New moon. 2 to 5 eclipse per year, viewed only for a smaller area and last a few minutes. These are the major points. This solar eclipse can be viewed for a smaller time period and for a smaller area. Remaining area, no solar eclipse at all or partial solar eclipse. This is a picture of complete solar eclipse. Actually, this is moon. Sun is on the other side. We are watching this from the earth. When we watch from the earth, we could see only a picture like this. This is the phenomena of solar eclipse, complete solar eclipse. See the intensity of light coming from the sides, smaller portion, that intensity is very high. So strong enough to damage our retina. That's the reason why we are advised not to look at the sun with our naked eye during solar eclipse. Second eclipse is lunar eclipse. That means lunar is hidden. So this is sun, this is moon, and this is earth. So earth comes in between sun and moon. So sun's rays get blocked by earth and earth's shadow falls on moon. That is lunar eclipse. We talked about super blue blood moon. Super blue blood moon, we could see the red color moon. Actually, earth's shadow falls on moon, and some portion of light through this area reaches here. So shorter wavelength light scattered off and longer wavelength light falls on this moon, and it appears as red or orange type color. So moon passes directly between earth and the earth shadow blocks the sun. Occurs when sun, earth and moon are in syzygy. Syzygy means same straight line. That is a condition. Occur only on the night of a full moon. This happens during night of a full moon. The other thing, new moon time, daytime. Then last a few hours. Solar eclipse lasts for a few minutes or a seconds. But in the case of lunar eclipse, it lasts for a few hours, viewed anywhere on the night side. So you can view here, anywhere, because earth is huge and can block larger portion of light. So you can view it from anywhere. This is the picture of lunar eclipse. Actually, this shadow is the shadow of earth. If you want to read in detail, you can go through the following books or you can surf internet. So it's just all points we covered. That is more than enough. You just need the basic idea. Thank you.